Hi, welcome to my channel. I would like to share one of the problem I faced when I bought a new computer. This is disk problem. It's like 100% disk problem, as it's known. When I bought a new computer, I found out that it is very slow. But I bought like decent computer. It's i7 processor, generation. It has its own dedicated graphics card, but disk is still working 100%, and this is causing it to be slow. It was very slow. It has like 8 gigs of RAM, but when I go to taskbar, I found out that on performance that everything else is fine, such as CPU, memory, but disk is like working on full capacity, but I wasn't doing anything. I updated it like latest Windows updates and everything else is fine. I didn't even install anything before I start to install any app. It's working full. This capacity, when it works like 100%, it doesn't allow you to do anything. You can't do anything. You can't open an app. It works really slow. It's causing everything else to be useless. So I need to find a solution for that. I made a search and I find a couple of things about it, so I wanted to share them with you. Otherwise, you're going to have this 100% disk problem all the time. It's going to cause your computer to be useless. But if you want to buy an SSD, this is another case. We need to talk about that because the regular disk is going to be slow. Otherwise, you have to buy an SSD, which is a good solution. An SSD will faster your computer. So go to search Windows and type services to solve that problem. We need to disable a couple of things. These are going to speed up and solve that 100% disk problem. Go to Windows Search. Find Windows Search. It's about on the bottom. Go to Properties and find status type and disable it. You need to disable that. This is one of the things that's slowing down computer. You can stop it right away, apply, and OK. There's another thing we need to disable. It's called superfetch. You need to find superfetch, go to properties, and you need to disable that also. You can stop it right away. It's going to improve your speed after a while. There's one more thing you can disable, but I don't know. I read it online. I don't know if it is like going to affect it so badly. It's background intelligent transfer. You can disable it or not. I'm keeping it, as it is. Or did I stop it? I don't know. It doesn't matter. It's working when your computer is doing nothing, literally doing something technical, whatever. So when you do that, your hard drive will perform way better. It's working like 83% now. It start to drop. It is going to drop. You need to wait for a while to see the actual results. So it's going to take a while, not really long, but as long as you did these things, your disk performance will be way better. But if you want really fast disk, you need to go to SSD. You need to go buy an SSD. This is like old hard drive I'm using. Despite this is a new laptop, they added a new old one, not a new one. So it's causing it to be slow despite i7 processor, 8 gigs of RAM. It is slow. It's not allowing you to do anything. So if you buy an SSD, which is way better than regular 1500 RPM spinning disks, SSD will perform perfectly. There's like a big difference between reading speed and writing speed. So uh, I just wanted to show you that disks usage will drop. Uh, that's why I'm waiting for and it will drop definitely. If you wait like a couple of minutes, it's going to drop. Here you go. It's like 3%, 5%. Normally your disk is, if you're not doing like anything important, even if you do, it's not going to be like 100%, but normally it should be like 0, 10%, I don't know, anything between those things. It shouldn't be 100%. If it is 100% for a long time, it's going to cause damage, I guess. It's going to cause troubles. uh, your hard drive may perform poorly later on, so it is already poor if you're not disabling those things. So you have to disable those things until Windows actually find another solution and update it. I don't know, while I'm doing this it is still that way despite all the updates I did, and now it is like 0%, which is good. And thank you for watching.